Don't forget to update and build your CV. I recommend using Canva for that. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Also, remember to check the Panopto videos on Moodle and study for next week's quiz.
Guys, I'm still blown away by today's class. I never thought a tower made of just spaghetti, tape, and string would be as stressful as a thermodynamics final. The secret wasn't just the physical structure, organization. At first we're all sticking pist however, but as soon as we assigned roles, the tower stopped wobbling.
It was the inclusion of ideas. That's real teamwork. Definitely. Cooperation was key. It was a great management exercise.
Yeah, management, but my personal CPU has officially run out of battery. I feel you. Today my only goal is my bed.
Same here. I'm heading home. Great job today, team. See you tomorrow. Rest up, fruits.
After a full day of lectures, I think that's enough for today.
Hey, you're still here. Yeah, figured I'd finish up instead of leaving it halfway.
Great. Yes. If I have to explain this again, we have a bigger problem than the machine. I don't deal with problems twice.
Looks like we're not done yet. Figured.
Who cares? I'm going in anyway. If they didn't want me inside, they shouldn't have left it like this. Relax, you're just machines. How hard can this be? I'm a student, I'm practically an engineer already.
Excuse me? What on earth do you think you're doing? You're really gonna start a cycle while I'm looking this filthy? I'm covered in chips. Clean me up first. Don't you know that poor chip evacuation leads to catastrophic tool failure? Get a brush, honey. I can't deal with this anymore. This is not how you should use me.
Blah, 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 chip evacuation. Boring. He talks more than the professors. I need a machine that actually wants to work, not one that needs a manicure. There we go. Well, look at you. You don't look like the type to cry about a few metal chips, do you, Spinando?
Hey! Stop right there, genius! Can you explain to me what exactly did you think was going to happen? Did you
skip the statics and strength of materials class entirely? Look at it, it looks like a noodle doing salsa! Zero stability logic! Zero! Do you see that tailstock? That dead center sitting on the floor collecting dust over there? That is not decoration. You are shredding my spindle bearings with all this vibration. Put in the tailstock. Use a steady rest. Use something.
Not you crashing out over basic mechanics. Yeah, we get it. Those other machines in here are really crazy. But I'm counting on you, Millinerito.
I'm sorry. Are you trying to kill us both? Because that fixture looks like it's holding on by hopes and dreams. Did you torque those bolts? No. Did you check the clamping force? No. That part is going to become a supersonic missile the moment my 10,000 RPM spindle touches it. If I hit my emergency stop, it will take me 20 minutes to reset. Check the G54, tighten the clamp, and maybe try valuing your life just a little.
What's going on with the machines today? They're like, super sensitive.
Hey, what are you doing here?
Uh-oh.